How can THC and cannabis-based medicines help fibromyalgia?
THC is going to ease the painful symptoms from fibromyalgia. It is going to calm and redirect the nerve traffic and ease the overall dysfunction of everything that's going wrong. CBD, cannabidiol from the AC/DC plant specifically, stimulate the endocannabinoid system and reverse the underlying problem, like that inflammation that is creating that chaos in the body overall. That balance, specifically Synergy PM for that in the 50/50 form, is going to address things like fibromyalgia, also address fibroid tumors, right? Address things that are painful, unwanted symptoms, but you don't really quite know what's going wrong. Women and autoimmune issues, different things like that. Things where it just seems like the software is starting to go wrong and you don't really know why, and you think it's because I'm getting older, or maybe it's my diet, or maybe it's, my lifestyle, cortisol, stress, all these things that we then we get overly focused on it, and right? So
I think of it as like a firestorm, and you don't know where the match got struck.
You don't, but isn't it also true that all of your patients, King Harvest patients, they all have a missing puzzle piece, right? And
that's why they call us.
Don't every one of your patients ask whether, you're a sports physiology guy, so it's from a nutrition, sunlight, water, diet, right?
Yep.
A lot of the missing puzzle pieces are going to be in there. A lot of them are going to be in supplements, apricot kernels, ivermectin, different things like that. And a lot of them are going to be in the detoxification modalities that we also use. But either way, CBD and THC is the centerpiece for fibromyalgia and other firestorm, chaos-driven autoimmune issues in the body, right? And then specialists like Cody will help you tie it together with diet, supplements, and lifestyle.
So we can cool down the fires.
Yeah, just fire brigade.